is going on today, YouTube? What's up? All right, you guys. Oh, am I there? I'm there. Today is a new day. We're making a video for y'all. Gonna be filming a video for y'all. Okay. I think you guys are gonna love this video. Please let me know. But right now, off the bat, today is the day after a long waited time. We are ceramic coating the truck. I'm so excited. It's been so long overdue, man. You guys, back when I ceramic coated my wheels, I was gonna do the truck, but I had surgery and all this sort of stuff. I was down, pretty much life. Finally, I got time. I'm ceramic coating it today. You guys are gonna love this video. Please, right now, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel because you're gonna love this, I'm telling y'all. All right. And then also one more thing, if you guys see me wearing this shirt in the recent videos, because I'm filming several videos in one day. So if you don't give a thumbs up for the ceramic coating of the old girl, give a thumbs up for making, I'm hustling, making 3 videos for y'all for one day. So we're back at the car wash again. The reason why the truck's so filthy, you guys saw it, is because I went hunting yesterday, didn't get nothing, but it's okay. We're gonna get it right though. Winter's coming, gonna be doing it's gonna be getting dirty. I'm not gonna have time to wash it every weekend like the summer because it gets cold and nobody wants to be washing trucks when it's cold. What better way to protect your truck than by ceramic coating it? And ceramic coating it, to be honest with you guys, you don't need to pay $500, $800, $1,000 to get ceramic coated. It's actually a very, if you have the stuff, which I'll show you guys at the house, it's $200. It's a $200 job. You're gonna protect your truck for 2 years at minimum with proper maintenance. And it looks awesome. It's gonna look really good, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, rinse the truck off. We're gonna go back home and I'm gonna have everything set up. I keep hearing shit. I'm gonna have everything set up and I'm gonna explain to you what we're doing and we're gonna knock this out, okay? I'll see y'all in this. All right, you guys, so we're back here at the house now. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I had all my stuff set up. I'm gonna run you guys through real quick on what we're gonna be doing. If you notice, I'm wearing long sleeve today because it is warm. It's like 80 degrees right now. It's gonna get up to like 88. I'm wearing this now so that way when I start sweating, because I sweat all the time, I can never do a job and not sweat. So when I start sweating, my sweat's not going to be dripping on the paint when I'm trying to wipe off stuff or, I'm working. Okay, so what we got here, check it out. All right, so basic stuff. I got a pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, that's completely optional. Got my foam cannon set up to put the soap in. So we got strip down soap. This is a soap that is going to strip any waxes, grease, sealants off of your paint. It's very important. Now when it comes to ceramic coating your vehicle, prep is key. Okay, you can't just wash it and ceramic coat it. I mean, you can. One, it's not going to last long, and 2, it's not going to look its fullest potential. You know what I'm saying? So I got a lot of scratches in here. You cannot see a lot of swirl marks and stuff. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stripping any waxes, sealants I have on here. We're going to strip it off, polish it, or compound and polish it. Okay, so I got my strip down soap here. Gonna go ahead and put that into my foam cannon in my wash bucket. This is another important step, prep. Clay luber, clay block, okay? This is just clay bar in your truck. You have to make sure your paint is decontaminated, fellas. I'm telling y'all, it's very important. Now, what y'all wanna see, we got CarPro UK 3.0 ceramic coat, okay? Now this is a pretty badass ceramic coat. Why? Because if you guys notice, we're in direct sunlight and you can use this in the sunlight, okay? So this is gonna be really friendly. I still have a lot I got like half a bottle left from when I did the wheels. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. It comes with this kit comes with an applicator pad and a little sponge block thingy. Also, you have the CarPro Reload. This is gonna be a silica sealant spray that you spray on after you apply the ceramic coat. It's very important that you follow the proper steps, because if not, you're not going to get your money's worth out of this stuff. All right, this is what people are charging. What I'm about to do is what people are charging $800-900 to do to their vehicles. Watch this video, you might be able to do it yourself. This is going to be a day job, I'm telling you right now. So you need to have time to do this. This is not a 2-hour, hour and a half job. You're going to be out here, especially on a truck this size. You're going to be out here for probably about I'd say 6 to 8 hours, but I'm a pretty experienced detailer, so I'm gonna probably go through it a little quicker. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna wash the truck. All right, so I will get you guys set up and let me know what y'all think. Let's get guys see me? There we go. All right, guys, so we just finished washing it. I washed it. I put a paint decontamination spray on it, iron remover. Now we're gonna go ahead and dry it, and then we're gonna get ready for clay bar. All right, and just a heads up or a tip, I highly recommend getting like a jumbo drying towel. This one is from Adams Polishes, but they're Rag Company, Chemical Guys, Adams, all the big name McGuire's. Everybody got one. This or a waffle weave-in drying towel. These things are awesome. I can dry my entire truck with this one towel. All right, let's do it. This right here is an excellent maintainer, okay? Because once you ceramic coat whatever it is, so for instance the truck, you're gonna have to maintain that ceramic coat. Yes, it can go a year and a half, whatever, without any type of, you know, additive. But if you want max life out of it, you gotta treat it, okay? Now what makes this stuff different, this is not a ceramic spray, okay? This is a SOI2 enhancer. I'm gonna get ready to clay bar. Get the body ready. Now for the most part the paint's actually pretty smooth, like it's not gritty or nothing, but there's a couple spots I want to hit up with the clay bar just to make it as nice as possible, because once we put that ceramic coat on, it's locked in. She ain't going no. So we finished up, went ahead and finished up clay barring. I went through almost an entire bottle of clay lube. Biggest thing when you're clay barring is don't drop the clay. If you do, throw it away, and keep it lubricated, because when you rub clay on dry surfaces, it will cause marring in the paint, which is like scuff marks, or it'll scuff the clear. That's the opposite of what we're trying to do. So while in the garage looking for stuff, come to find out I still have a lot of compound left. I have this compound from CarPro, which is awesome because you can use it in daylight, and then I have leftover Adams. I got my microfiber cutting pad, my dual action polisher. Whenever you start fresh, you want to go ahead, get some detail spray. Clay lube works good too, and you're just gonna give a little spritz, okay, priming the pad, and then when you put your first dots on it, you want to kind of work it into the pad to prime it, and then from there you can go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna get y'all set up. We're gonna go ahead and start polishing. Okay, all right, you guys, so finally a little time went by, the sunset, it's cooling down, thank goodness. We're done polishing, okay? She came out real nice. I know there ain't much sun out, man, but maybe y'all can tell, man, I still got dust everywhere. So that's one of the things, if you end up polishing your truck and stuff, when you use a compound or a polish, they tend to dust. Just went around, man, and just did it. It looks good. All right, so anyways, all right, let me stop now because we're losing daylight. No one can do it like you. Do you guys see that truck, man? This is it, man, right here. It's done. It came out really good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the end video. Man, oh man. What you guys think, man? I really want to hear what y'all got to say. It's like 7:30 right now. Sun's already gone, man. But when the sun was about almost setting, almost out, it was glowing on the paint. Oh my goodness, man. I mean, we can step back here. We got two white vehicles. We got my wife's Jeep, which is dirty, and then we got my truck. And just like, look at how bright and how vibrant my truck is versus the Jeep. Granted, the Jeep's dirty, but it ain't gonna get to that. This right here is what detailing is, man. I'm telling you. I probably put I didn't put 13 hours. I probably put about 6 hours into detailing it, man. What white vehicle can you see a reflection like this? You can see me on a white vehicle. That's badass. I got all the wheel wells glossed up. The wheels are cleaned up. Oh man, this is beautiful. Hey, if you guys, I'm gonna have links below for all the stuff I used today in today's video. Please let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up again. I really would truly and greatly appreciate it. This is awesome right here, man. This is, my goodness. I even fixed the wheel well, ceramic coated. And if you guys are curious how long this is going to be good for, like I said in the beginning of the video, you can easily, oh no, that's just the corner of the paint. Wow. You can easily squeeze out, I don't know, freaking 2 years with good maintenance, with good soap. Don't use any cheap soap. You got to use a pH neutral soap, preferably a ceramic soap. One thing you can use, I don't know why I put it in here, but a ceramic boost or some sort of SiO2. So just recently, before I started filming, I used this. It comes with the ceramic coat kit. This is a Carper Reload. It's a, I know this camera is not going to zoom in, but it's a silica spray sealant. After you ceramic coat, you wait 30 minutes and apply and spray this on it and apply it. Man, it feels so smooth. I have never felt something that smooth. Also, another company too that has some good stuff, Adam Polish's Ceramic Boost. Mosquitoes are out here tearing me up right now, but I had to show you guys this. I had to get this on film, man. I'm telling you guys, and it looks so good, even with the sun setting and everything. You know what I'm saying? So this is it, you guys. All right. So, like always, man, y'all gotta tell me what y'all think. I want to know. Okay. So, like always, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, please give me that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, which is going to be soon, y'all take it easy, be safe, and y'all peace out.